Adonis provides a very simple way to group multiple routes together so that we don't have to redefine the same properties for each route. Now let's figure out how route grouping works in Adonis. So here we have created one route group, and inside the route group we are having a single route that is a get request to the URI/posts. And we have also used the prefix method so that the URL now will be localhost:3333/blog/posts. Suppose we are having more than one routes inside the route group, then when we will use the prefix method, then in that case all the routes inside the route group will add the prefix blog. Now let's check out our route list once. So here you can see from the route list that there is a single route at the moment, and that is a get request to the URI/blog/posts. Now let's add one more route inside the route group. Let's save it. And now if we try to list the routes, there are total 2 routes and both are using the prefix /blog. So this is how route group work in Adonis. And in Adonis 5, the route grouping also supports nested grouping. That means you can place another group inside. Adonis also supports nested routes. Let's try it with an example. So what we have added here is we have created another group inside the first one. This is the first group, and inside this one we are having another group, and in the nested group we are having a single route, and we are adding a prefix API so that the actual URI segment will be /blog/API/posts. So this is how route grouping works in Adonis 5.